Easy, how's it going? Took the cars out for a little test drive the other day. You might have seen it, you might have not. The run was amazing, everyone had fun. We come across a photographer 24/7 and he wanted to shoot a few videos. That was pretty cool. Cars performed brilliantly, no real issues, except for Bradders. You know that rotary life. He's got a few things to sort out now. Other than that, it was perfect. I've got some nasty noises coming from the back of my car. I've been putting it out for ages. I need to change a few bushes. I'm going to be changing my lower arm inner bushes and I'm going to be changing my hub bushes. They're completely original. I've been neglecting doing it because, let's be honest, it's a ball ache of a job. At the moment, I've got it on the ramp. I've just ripped the wheels off and I thought, well, I need to pick up the camera and at least make a start. So I'm going to take this side off. This side's already off. I had to go with the Federal RSR tyres. I'll be honest, brilliant. Nice grip level. I had to wind my boost up a little bit because there is obviously more grip. But other than that, it was really good. They're 245 35 18, which I'm usually running 225 40 18. We'll see. My plan is for this, drop the whole subframe. Then I'm going to take the arms off. Then I'm going to take the hubs off. Because then I can check my diff mounts as well. And that's pretty much where I'm at the moment. So I want to be replacing this, and then this, and then the one right down here. I might do drop links when I'm there. Subframe bush is already done. So it's just a case of the rear diff mount I need to do, and then ones I've just showed you. First of all, rip the wheels off, and then I'm going to start dropping the subframe down. I'm not going to do it all today because I'm going to come down here to get some stickers so I can get them posted out to you guys. I'd like to thank you all for liking the video and you keep turning up. So what I'm doing first of all is I'm taking these off. 19, 19, 19, 19, 19, 19, 19, 19. I'm going to drop the drop link for the anti-roll bar. I'm going to take the hub completely off. Take the shaft off. Take the caliper away, and then we should be ready for the hubs. I might do the bearings while I'm there. That's a good thinking, actually. I've got the bearings from Conceptua Tuning. They've been over here for a while now. That's a good little call, actually. I'm going to do that. So the plan now is to put the handbrake on, crack that bolt for the drive shafts, and get the shafts loose. So when I pull the hub, it'll be all done rather than trying to do it when it's off the car. Because we've all done it, let's be honest. We've all took it all off and then gone, how the fuck are we going to undo these big ass nuts? These nuts. So yeah, what I like to do is I like to put the handbrake on pretty tight. So yeah, I'll get the cracker bar, or I remember. Cracker bar job. See if we can do this one-handed. Yeah, boy! And we'll do the other side now. Before we forget, that second one wasn't as easy. Actually made me break out in a sweat now. But we got it done. Sweating. But yeah, this is why I didn't want to do it today. I didn't actually come down to do this. But you know, once you've made a start, you can't really stop. So now the nut's out for the drive shafts. I'm going to undo the caliper. And the whole caliper setup's going to stay on the car. 2 bolts on the carrier. And then I'll see when we're that far. I'm going to take the lower arm ball joint. I'm going to take the lower arm ball joint off. Man, look at these. Wet. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I can feel it. Well, I'm going to crack on with this now. Get that done. I'll see you in a bit. Calipers off. 2 17mm nuts. Handbrake still attached. Brake line still attached. Now I'm going to take these arms off. Taking the anti-roll bar off. Mine's a 14 and a 14. Yours might be different. We're going to take the disc off now. The anti-roll bar is completely off. Put it back together so you know it goes back on. Anti-roll bar is loose. So my plan is to take the disc off now because it might be a pain when it's floating around. Makes it a little bit easier when things are tight on the car. Nice little cheat. There's 2 threads here. I've got a tub of spare bolts and nuts. Put them in. And your disc's off. Nice little cheat there. So my plan is to undo these 4 bolts. I'll put this in the vise because I want to save this dust shield. But yeah, we're getting there. Drop them 2 out. That one's loose. Coil over, that's a 17. These are all 19 so far. So it's just a case of pulling the shaft out, undoing that, and the 2 lower arms, and we're off. We're off. 19, 19 on the arm. Next thing I'll do is take this cotter pin out, then I'll take this nut off, and that'll be separate from that. And then we'll start stripping down for the bearings. $22. So what I've got to do is tap it out now. So one nice tap with that. And there's the arm. So I'm going to replace them 2 bushes. I'm going to replace this bearing as well. I'm going to replace this. I'm going to replace this and this. I cracked these off with the 19 on the cracker bar. You have to excuse the mess. It's not actual mess. It's a full manual conversion for an SR, but I can't bother to move it. That's it, right? Took the 4 bolts out and then just tapped it with, no, this one. Tapped it with this one, not this one. And we're out. So now I've got to push that bearing off this and swap it for that one. Then we've got to swap that one for that one. And we'll keep that. So this is now ready for its new bushes. So about an hour in now. Don't let anyone think changing the bushes is easy, cause it ain't. So what I tried to do was put a washer here and a bolt there, push it through. I ended up breaking the vise. So not only do I need to buy another vise now, I've got to press over there. Because of the shape of the arm, I can't get the arm into the press to push the bush out. So now I'll have to drill it and then I'm going to have to cut it. That's going to be fun. I managed to get this one out nice and sweet. And I've still got to do these 2, them 2, and then the complete other side. I've ordered some bushes through MOTORSPORT or Part Box. One of my friends, Rich, works there. So he's managed to get us a price on some PowerFlex bushes. They'll be coming here in the next 2 or 3 days. So that gives me time to rip all this off and make a start to get the bushes ready to go in. I did want to paint them all, make them all look all shiny. So that's as we are. I'm debating on getting in touch with DRIFTWORKS because I'm thinking about changing these rosary joints at the same time, because they've been on there for a good year or so, and I might as well replace them before they fail. But I'm going to call it there today, I think. I'm going to go to the post office, which I meant to do 2 hours ago, but I got carried away having fun, as we do. And I'll see you tomorrow.